what a... Oh, no! Not there!
Geordie!
Eddie?
Geordie!
But you're dead. You've been dead. Christ, 3 years almost.
You ain't gonna get in that tub, are you? Stop water there at once, Geordie. Don't you know? You get in that water, Geordie. You might as well sign your death warrant.
I'm a goner already, Daddy. Ain't I? Got the stuff out of that meteor on me. And I'm gone. Ain't I? Daddy? Daddy? Oh, better. Oh, that's lots better. Oh, that's good. Ooh.
And now it's time for the Farm Report, brought to you by Granger Farm Supply, the home of all your feed and farm supplies. Grain prices closed mixed after rising most of the session in reaction to some of the positive export news. Analysts said prices were centered in the new highs in the late session selling by commission houses and local traders who sought to take profits from the early advances. Pork belly prices and most livestock prices fell on the Chicago Mercantile Exchange. In quiet trading, cotton for delivery this month settled at 63.2 cents a pound.
Please, God, let my luck be in. Just this once. Please, God, just this once.
And in today's weather, well, not much for the outdoor types, but you farmers are going to love this. The current 30-day forecast released by the U.S. Meteorological Station at Portland calls for moderating temperatures and lots of rain. Castle County is going to turn green so fast in the next month that it's going to be almost miraculous.